God, it's freezing. Hello everyone. Now in this episode I want to show you everything inside the car. Let's start with the door. Of course we have a little thing to get the door closed. We have door pocket, which is pretty close, and you can put bottle in here. Speakers, of course your controls for the seat if you have the trend or the style is only in premium. You have a manual seat adjustment. Air vents, so the air vents work pretty easy. If you push it to the outside, it's closed. Otherwise you can set the direction the air is flowing, of course up and down, and closed. This vent up here is always open. The vents back there are also always open. Again, this is the sensor for temperature and light. So this is where it will see how the temperature is. Again, same vents here, same vent here. This on the side closable, the other one's not. Those are closable as well. And direction up and down. Your hazard, that's of course always the same. Your sun, what is it? I don't know the name, but they both have mirrors and light, and if you close them it will automatically turn off the light. Handles on the 3 seats, not the driver's seat. You can adjust the height. Can you see? No, you can't. Adjust the height of the seat belts. Speakers in the door. The same door pocket on the passenger side. Glove box, normal size, no light in there. It's important. What else? The headrest can be adjusted normally, all with this button up and down. We have a tiny little storage area here, a very big one here. This is really deep. 2 cup holders in here. USB. This USB has always power, even if the car is powered off and locked. An auxiliary input to put iPod, whatever in there. Here we have, in the premium edition, wireless charging. It will show you here the LED if it's charging. In the settings you can turn this on and off, so if you don't want this feature to be active. Down here, another area where you can put stuff, but this is very hard to reach if you sit in the car. If it's like what I'm doing now, kneeling outside, then it's okay, but if you're really sitting here, your leg is here, very hard to get to. We have a 12-volt outlet, 180 watts, and on the other side is a USB to charge, but both don't work if the ignition is off. Well, here, of course, here your button to unlock the hood. Here we have another fuse box. Here is a handle to adjust your steering wheel, outside, inside, and up and down. Works perfectly. Up there would be the head-up display, comes out when you press the button. What else do we have? Is that it in the front? Up. On the top here we have a little thing to put your glasses. The lights work pretty easy, always on when the door is open, and off. And another light here in the back, which is still wrapping on, but it's okay. And then let's look in the back of the car. Here the door pockets are a bit smaller, again speakers. And here you have a little thing where if you turn, then the doors cannot be unlocked from inside. Child protection. Or sounds weird here, little net. It's nice. Also here 3 head rests that can be adjusted in height or taken out. We have, of course, 3 seat belts. The middle part, ooh, that's dirty, have to clean that. Little armrest with 2 cup holders. There's no air vent here in the back, but there's an air vent underneath the seats to get warm air here in the back, and it works really well. What else? Yeah, there's a hump down here in the middle. That's a bit weird, so it's not flat. And there's a hump here. So here it's low and then it gets higher here for the battery. That's a bit weird. Here we have the trunk. It's not as big as you think. We have only 1 light here on the side. This of course can be taken out. The seats can be folded, like you see here, 60-40%, but it's not flat when you lay it over the right thing. Here is your subwoofer. You can open this here. You have another department here, and you can even open up here. Here's your tow hook, your emergency repair kit for the tires because there's no spare tire, and here's the home charging cable. This can all be taken out, of course, if you need more space. Okay, that's it from inside the car. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.